Hi everyone, this is Motorcycle Showroom, a channel dedicated to introduce new line of motorcycle from leading manufacturers around the world. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos.
The 2024 Husqvarna Svartpilen 801 NEO-SCRAMBLER. The Husqvarna Svartpilen line goes big this year with a 799cc parallel twin motor and a NEO-SCRAMBLER vibe. The 2024 Husqvarna Svartpilen 801 replaces the 701 thumper at the top of the Svartpilen lineup, with the 401 taking care of newer riders. It also serves as an alternative to the KTM 790 Duke, which shares the same motor. So, let's take a look at the new Svartpilen 801. 1. The motor is the 799cc twin we've seen in previous sport and adventure motorcycles from Pure Mobility. The DOHC twin in the 2024 Husqvarna Svartpilen 801 gets a torquey cam to complement a chassis featuring handling that Husqvarna insiders describe as sporty yet accessible. 2. Plenty of electronic rider aids are summoned for the 2024 Husqvarna Svartpilen 801. The motor has 3 standard power modes: Sport, Street, and Rain. The optional dynamic mode brings adjustable traction control and wheelie control, plus cruise control. 3. The chassis is a familiar chromoly trellis design with the engine as a stressed member. WP Apex units take care of suspension duties. The fork is fully adjustable for damping, while the shock has rebound damping and spring preload adjustability. 4. The geometry of the 2024 Husqvarna Svartpilen 801 is different from the KTM 790 Duke. While Husqvarna relaxed the rake by a half degree on the 801, the Husqvarna's wheelbase is a substantial 3.4 inches shorter than the KTM 790. 5. In keeping with the 2024 Husqvarna Svartpilen 801's Scrambler theme, flat track-inspired Pirelli Montana 60 RS tires are used. Husqvarna designers haven't gone full retro, as the tires are mounted to 17-inch cast aluminum wheels. 6. The styling retains the steampunk theme of the Husqvarna Svartpilen and Vitpilen lines. The look is angular and purposeful, while presenting as retro and futuristic simultaneously. 7. WAN handles the deceleration duties, with assistance from Bosch. The 300mm discs in the front are grasped by radially mounted J-WAN calipers. 8. The 2024 Husqvarna Svartpilen 801 has a list price of $10,899. That's a $1,400 premium over this year's KTM 790 Duke, and $96 less expensive than the latest Ducati Scrambler icon. You should see the 801 on dealer showroom floors in the coming month. As far as color goes, it's called the Black Arrow for a reason.
Thanks for watching our video. Stay safe and see you again next time.